Hi and welcome. If you're looking to build a beautiful and professional web page or landing page, you definitely need to use the platforms that allow you to do that, but how to choose the correct one. We spent a lot of time and efforts to analyze all the platforms, and we found the solution. We found the great one. It's called Leadpages. And today in this video, I want to show you this small tutorial of how to make your own web page, of how to edit things, how to move things, how to add things. And in the end of this video, you will find out all the editing features, all the mechanism of building your own web page, a website or a landing page, because there's a difference, but we're gonna talk about it a little bit later. Before I've started to show you all the things that you need to know to build your own web page, I want to share with you the link. Our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get that link, and you can easily get access to Leadpages platform with a big discount for our friends, for our subscribers, for our viewers, and join to this video to find out everything you need to know about how to edit things in Leadpages and how to build your own web page. First of all, you need to log in or get your new account. That's easy, and I will not show this information to you. Let's jump to dashboard straight away, and landing pages and sites. We're gonna build a landing page. Just press and create a new landing page, and there's a page type you can choose if you have a running business or you're just planning to go with it. It's about and bio, blank, checkout, consultation, contest, and giveaway, event, and so on and so on. There's a list of industry, there's a list of style, bold, casual, colorful, dark, elegant, light, minimal, and so on and so on. The color also you can choose straight away from here, but let's find just literally any template that will suit to our business. And today I want to build some simple thing and want to show you how to edit things. And it doesn't matter actually which business do you have, the editing features is pretty the same, and all things that you can add to your page is already pre-built. And let's build it from, I don't know, from a ground, for example, like any page. Let's start building this one. First of all, you need to give your web page a name, and in the list of your pages you will find out which one is the page. Actually, just let it be the personal, and I will show you how to edit things, how to add pictures, how to edit actually any landing page and any website. Purpose of any landing page or a website is to get a new clients, and that's a big issue because you need to add some things. And in general, layout is the same as like hello or hero page. Right here, section, everything is built with the sections. The first section, the second one, the third one, and so on and so on. And the header and footer, in this case we're not building the website with tons of navigation features. We're building just a landing page that lays on one layout on one page, and everything is built with the sections. Like you can edit section settings, add section above or below, duplicate, copy, or delete. I want to delete, I want to remove this section, I don't need it, because I will show you how to manage things. Here's the header. You can edit the image of your logo. I don't need this header right here, so I will delete it just simply. Okay, now we have the working area, and we jump into layout. The first button is layout, sections, widgets, styles, and setting. Here layout, you can see what is happening on the sections. You can remove section, you can duplicate it, make it visible or invisible, and footer and so on. You can add a section the same way from here from the layout or with the section buttons. Let's add a section. you see there's about, call to action, contact us, FAQs, features and services. It's already pre-made things, already pre-made and already done things. And we go into layout. You see the call to action is on the bottom and there's a footer. How to reshape it. Just grabbing this 6 dots button and hovering to the place where it need to be. Alrighty. Actually, any landing page or website contains pictures, text, and widgets or interactive elements. So here you go: text, image and text, image, video, button, form, line, and space. That's it. Nothing more. Well, there are more like icon, progress bar, social like, calendar embed, and so on and so on, but you will not use those, all those. You just can build everything with this basic things. Like, just to show you the icon, and when you grab in these buttons, and you can place them only on this blue areas. Okay, you see there's a image and you can change icon itself, you can change the color and the style. Alrighty, it's on the spot. Interesting thing that all that happening here, you can add it like simply, and you can move things around to all these blue boxes, and everything that you can add it, you adding with this pencil button. The styles and all the settings are here. With this small pencil button, you can make medium and small, flat, line, gradient, full width or small. You can change the alignment, rounded, circular, rounded, and you can reshape the corners, flat, line. I like the line because it looks very fantastic. Very important thing before I've started to show you the backgrounds and so on. Very important thing is about the buttons. You see there's inactive button and it's red, and you probably don't want to go live with inactive buttons. So you need to add the click event. What's gonna happen when somebody will press the button on your web page? No link option, so the button is inactive. Open a pop-up, open a calendar pop-up, jump to page section. For example, like if it's gonna be about us, you will jump to about us page, like section, not the page. On this one page you will jump to the page section, but in general it's gonna be the pop-up and the place where your visitor can fulfill the email and his name. Just press and edit integrations. And what's happening? Integrations. You're gonna have lead notification. This is pre-made option on this platform, and you will get email to your inbox, to your email that you registered with on the platform. Or you can add an external service. Probably if you're interested to build web page, you know that there are tons of options and tons of providers, external providers of email marketing, for example, like MailChimp and GetResponse, ConvertKit, and all the people that will send you their emails will jump in straight to your email list, and after that you can sort them, you can send them information, you can warm up your audience, or of course you can integrate everything with a Zapier. It's also a fantastic tool. And that's pretty important, guys, before you go live. The second stuff is the fields. You can add some fields right here, like a first name. Done. You can reorder these things, and you see that this happens simultaneously just right there. And actions The same thing, default lead pages thank you page. You can edit this also, and when somebody will fill up all this form and will press the button and will send it, what's gonna happen? He will see the thank you page, or he will be on the landing page, external URL, or remain on page. Just, I like the thank you page, of course, because it works pretty cool. All right, the sections. I showed you how to add a section, how to edit the section. When you press on all these small three dots button, you can edit section settings, add section buffer below, duplicate, copy, or delete. Edit section settings. You see there's a image of a background of this section. If you want to apply the background for whole page, you need to go to styles, and you see page background. Right now it's a white color, or you can upload an image and you'll have the beautiful parallax effect when you're scrolling all the things, and the background is still there, and your site is scrolling without a background. But right here it's in the hero section. Let's edit section settings and change image. I want to show you how to do that. You can upload your own image, or you can use the images that you uploaded previously, or premium images. You can buy it straight from the platform. You can buy it from stock, and it's about $8 per picture. It's not cheap. But if you have your own content for your own business, for example, you have, I don't know, the yoga studio, or you have a cafe, or you're baking cakes, you definitely need to create your own content. Or if you don't have content yet, you can buy it from the picture. Let's upload just this image. It's personal trainer. And interesting thing I want to show you, image color overlay. It lays right here. We can remove it, and you see it's much more lighter. Or you can add the color that you want. You can change the opacity of it, and it's some kind of filter to your background. You can change the color of it just as you want. Maybe you have some brand colors, and you can add your brand colors and use them. Maybe the color of your logo, or color of your brand portfolio, and so on. Just removing it. And I showed you how to manage these things. Here also you can change the height of the section, full, see the small, full, and so on, and you can play around with all those features as you actually want, padding, so on. Okay, the next is the next section, and the same thing, edit section style. Color, you can change a color, for example, to the gray. All right, and it's different from here, and that's pretty cool. The same stuff with all buttons. You need to add the click event to all buttons. You open a pop-up, create a new, or my pop-up one, or you can create a new one that will be different. For example, here you can change the size and shape and all the things that you want with the button. Here you can change the background color for that one, and the color of the text instantly, and that's it. Or you can, the link is also right here, like the pop-up. Or you can change it to the option that you want to jump to page section, like not buy one, but discover more and about us. And it will be the page will scroll itself to page section that you will apply here. And that's pretty it, guys. That's pretty it. All the style settings, definitely you need to check all this before you go live, because it's like SEO, and probably you know that SEO is a very important thing in website building, because definitely you need to be shown to search engines in internet, social. Here you can upload your your image that will be displayed in case if you're sharing your link to your web page in the Facebook or some other social platform. Analytics, also this section enables you the ability to gather data, passing and tracking code from the analytics services. It's also about the SEO and so on. Favicon, if you don't know what's that, it's the small picture that will appears in the address bar on the top. You can upload it also. Font styles, for headline fonts, you can change all the fonts straight from here, and all the headings will be the same font. The text font you can change also straight from here, and all the small text will be displayed with other font. I prefer to use 3 fonts maximum and 3 colors maximum per one page. In that case, it looks balanced, it looks professional, and everything is happening. How to edit the text? It's pretty simple thing. You will figure it out. All the editing features are like here. You can make it bold, italic, and so on and so on. Change the color or add a link, and the words will be clickable, and the same thing will happen as with the buttons, like the click-through event. All the text is changing, all the things you can change as you want, just with couple clicks. An interesting thing, if you want to move things around, you see there's blue boxes, and that means that all your elements will be like that. You can, of course, you can add a spacer like here, and you can grab it and apply to everywhere that you want. You can reshape it, you can move things around, and so on. You see the spacer? Let it be here, for example. Yeah, that's a cool feature, and you can reshape it pretty easily and to get the size and the shape that you want. If you want to add some section, you can even add the blank sections. The blank section, for example, with two columns, and I wanted to place here. Drag and drop widgets here to start widgets, like text and image here, and video here. That's pretty it. You're just editing the features. All the editing things are here with this small 3 buttons, a 3 dots button. Added section settings. Changing the background color, this one, and here you go. Everything is pretty fantastic, and you can build your page really literally in half an hour if you have a content. Of course, if you don't have a content, you can create it, or you can buy it from the stock photos and videos straight on the platform. That's pretty it. And you can move things, you can delete things, you can upload things, you can change all the text, you can change all the buttons, and that's easy. That's the main point of this video, that's pretty easy, and you'll figure out it for sure. I showed you the core knowledges that you need to know to build your own web page or a landing page or a website. The editing features is pretty the same. That's why I believe that you will have no problems with the building of your own web page. Before I'll say goodbye, I want to remind you that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily get access to this fantastic and very powerful and convenient tool with a big discount for our friends, for our subscribers. So join and build your first website. It's not scary as you may think. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed, hope this was useful, and hope this all makes sense for you because you're interested in site building. Thanks, bye bye, see you in the next video.